Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. If you guys are here on this video today, you are probably wondering what niches should I go in? How do you even pronounce the word niche? If you all are wondering how to pronounce the word niche, I have Google pulled up.
Niche.
For once in my life, I have pronounced something right. If you guys are new here, definitely don't forget to hit that red button down below and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I'm on there as It's Heather Studio. I will be posting whenever I post a new video as well. If you guys want to skip ahead in the video, definitely check my chapters down below. This next segment, I'm just going to be talking about my new free content that I have for you guys. So if you guys don't want to hear that, skip ahead in the video to where we talk about the most profitable niches. Besides that, I just created my new website where I am sharing all of my free content with you guys. I currently am running a 30-day Etsy listing challenge, so if you guys want to download my PDF calendar for that, go down below on my Heather X Studio website where you guys can get a free digital download where you can upload onto your iPad or you can just print out. I have the printouts here as well. I also have a weekly post planner where you guys can put all of your ideas down. If you guys have design ideas or you just need to visually see and organize what you guys are doing for designs every single day, this is great content for you guys that is completely free. When I first started on Etsy, I gave myself a challenge, and that challenge was to design 3 to 5 ideas every single day for 30 days straight. And by the end of the 30 days, I would have up to 150 listings on Etsy. That's how essentially my business became a full-time income, and you guys can do that too, just by downloading a simple PDF and sticking to it, keeping yourselves accountable. I do have a print on demand group on Facebook. It's called POD Friends for any advice, tips, and tricks on Etsy print on demand or Shopify print on demand. Most of you guys are wondering, what are the most profitable niches? And what exactly is a niche? A niche, by Oxford Dictionary, is denoting products, services, or interests that appeal to a small, specialized section of the population. Essentially, a niche is just a narrowed down category that focuses on certain items that you're selling within that category. Examples of niches is pet niche, travel niche, outdoors niche, workout niche, all these different niches that you guys can design for. I comprised a list of the 3 most profitable. I did this in my last video and I thought I wouldn't do it again. If you guys know what this sign is, you guys are true POD friends. You guys have to watch till the end of the video for me to tell you guys what that sign is. For my Etsy research that I've done within the past 2 years of growing and selling on Etsy and making well over 6 figures on the Etsy platform, I have created a list of what I believe are the most profitable niches in 2022 and forward. These niches I have personally been a part of and I have personally designed for that have gotten me many sales and can get you guys as many sales as most of the people that you see on Etsy. The number 1 niche that you guys should start designing for today is the bridal and wedding niche. Now let me tell you, there are subcategories of this niche and you can create a whole entire store on this one niche alone. The first item that you guys can design for today is bachelorette party t-shirts, and really any type of design or product that you can think of that goes along with bachelorette party t-shirts, sweatshirts, mugs, tumblers. It's a very profitable niche. Wedding season starts in late spring and it goes to late fall. So brides and the bridal party usually are purchasing from February as soon as January all the way to November. It is one of the biggest niches on Etsy that people shop for. Everyone's looking for custom bridal and custom wedding options. One of the subcategories of the bridal/wedding niche is bachelorette party t-shirts, and this is a very highly profitable niche that you guys can go into today. If you guys think about it, for bachelorette parties, people don't just buy one item for their bachelorette parties. They buy not 1 t-shirt, but usually 5 to 10 plus t-shirts, which that means for you, you get a huge bulk order every single time someone buys your bachelorette party t-shirts or sweatshirts or tumblers, anything that you guys can think of and get very creative on designing for in this niche. The second thing that you guys can design for in this niche is just married, wifey t-shirts, sweatshirts. One thing that I want to mention real quick that you guys need to be very, very careful of is not copying someone else's designs, number one. Number two is you guys need to go on USPTO for all of the trademarks that are already registered. So last time I checked in 2021, wifey was a trademarked word. It has a character trademark, which means any version of the word wifey, if you use, that's someone's license and you're not allowed to use it. You can make terms and words that are kind of like wifey but not. However, be very, very careful. Use the USPTO website to double check all of the licenses and trademarks that are out there before you post a design. That's one of my number one tips for designing. The first thing I personally do before I put a design out there is I go on USPTO, I search up the word or logo or design that I'm making. I've personally done this a few times now where I will make a super nice logo or super nice design on a word that I really liked. Come to find out it's trademarked. The one thing Etsy will ban you on their platform for is having a bunch of copyright infringed items on your store. The other subcategory that you guys can design for is bride versus groom t-shirts, sweatshirts. You can design masks now, you can design tumblers. These are gifts that friends and family members might get for a bridal shower for the bride or groom. Niche number two that you guys can design for is the mom/pregnancy niche. This is again another huge niche that has so many different subcategories. One of those subcategories is just mom t-shirts. I've seen t-shirts like chaos coordinator, mom of 3, mom of 2, all the names on the t-shirts. You can do custom designs. Along with that, the second subcategory is pregnancy announcement t-shirts. One of my secret tips, if you guys are still watching this video, is pregnancy announcement newborn onesie clothing. So this is something that a lot of people don't think about when they're thinking about print on demand, is designing for kids and even doing the newborn birthday t-shirts. So if you have a birthday onesie that says 6-month-old, a lot of moms really love this. Also, you guys can design print on demand blankets. There's numbered blankets that show what age the newborn is or baby is as they grow older. Again, there's so many stores that you can just make one entire store off of this one thing. The pregnancy announcement t-shirts, you guys can make Aunt 2022, Dad 2022, Uncle 2023. You guys can design so early for this. These pregnancy t-shirts and sweatshirts are usually given as gifts. Along with that, there's so many other print-on-demand products that you guys can design for in this one niche. The third subcategory niche that you guys can design for today is pregnant AF, pregnancy, pregnant bump. There's so many different designs that you guys can put on your Etsy shop that basically are just fun and cute ways to give a gift to a new pregnant mom. Along with that, the other thing that you guys want to think about when you're designing for this niche is baby showers. What gifts can someone give to someone else for a baby shower? It could be t-shirts, it could be little newborn outfits. There's so many different print-on-demand products that you guys can design for. The third and final most profitable niche that you guys can design for today is travel and family vacation t-shirts. This niche, guys, let me just tell you, this niche I have had very, very high success with, and I only designed 2 or 3 items in total, but people love this niche so much. First of all, when someone's ordering a t-shirt, they don't just order for themselves. Again, like the bridal niche, you're not just designing for only one person, you're designing for a whole family. The second option you have with group or family vacation t-shirts is to do customized options for your customers. Personally, I don't do any custom options or personalized options on my Etsy store at all. However, I will say in the print-on-demand communities that I've been a part of, I have seen high success with having customized t-shirts or sweatshirts for group or family vacations. So for example, you could just put insert last name here, 2022 family vacation, something along those lines. There's so many options for you guys if you guys are designing for t-shirts and sweatshirts. On top of that, there's other items that you guys can sell for too, which is just like travel bags or travel mugs. There's so many other items that you guys can add. This niche, like all the other niches that I have told you guys about today, you guys can make a Shopify store out of, or your own personal website, and just niche down to that exact niche itself. Another secret tip for those of you still watching is girls trip vacation shirts are where it's at. The best strategy on design for girls trip vacation t-shirts is you can just search up most popular girls trip vacation spots and just make t-shirts of that and put 2022 or 2023. You can again add a custom listing for this option. This is a big seller again because people are buying in bulk for this item alone, and it just has very high profit potential. For those of you who have made it to the end of the video, I am going to reveal my bonus niche. The bonus niche is birthday t-shirts. There's so many different options for the birthday niche alone. You can do zodiac sign t-shirts. You can do, like I said earlier, for the babies and the newborns, kids t-shirts to adult t-shirts, 50s, 60-year-old t-shirts, EST t-shirts. One of the questions I've had on a previous video is, should I niche down on my store to only one niche, or should I sell for multiple niches on my store? My answer to that question is, I personally post all of my different niches in one store alone. By you having multiple niches and multiple listings that have high reviews, your store will just be boosted on the Etsy algorithm naturally, so you guys don't even have to worry about that. I would highly suggest posting all of your listings and all of your niche items in the same Etsy store. However, when you guys decide to start designing for Shopify or any other type of platform, in my experience, I believe that if you have a Shopify store, you want to focus on one niche per Shopify store. Later on, I'm going to go more in detail on how to start your own Shopify print-on-demand store once you've leveled up your Etsy store and your Etsy store is trailing in that income that can provide you a Shopify store later on. So guys, the greatest takeaway that I want you guys to have, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me on my next videos. The greatest things I want you guys to take away from this video is I want you guys to focus on expanding your reach, creating maybe 10 to 15 listings per niche that you guys design for, and trying new designs for each niche so you guys can see what works, what doesn't work. If you guys get a sale in that category, that means it's really working. Again, if you guys want to get better at organizing and planning what type of listings you guys want to post, download my 30-day challenge and my weekly post planner. It's all down below and it's all free content. You guys literally don't have to pay anything for it. So guys, this is how my free PDF looks once you print it out. There are some printing settings that you need to set for this weekly planner specifically. This basically goes over the 3 to 5 listing designs that you guys can create. And then on top of that, this is how my 30-day listing challenge looks like. All this content is completely free and it's on my website, so check it out down below. At the end of this video, what I really want you guys to focus on is if you have one niche that's really selling well and you guys are getting a lot of traction, a lot of sales on Etsy, definitely try to scale up your niche and scale up your store in that one niche. That's what I did. That's what you guys can do, and you guys can make a 6-figure Etsy business off of one niche. You don't need to go to multiple niches. If you guys have any questions at the end of my video today, definitely comment down below, and I will see you guys all in my next video. It's from the Hunger Games. It's from the Hunger Games. I totally lost my train of thought. I was gonna make some valid point, and the point is gone.